Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix search and indexing paused in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Windows has been paused, so let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply press Windows plus R, or you can right plus on your this start button. Select run from here. Now in this section you just have to enter services.msc. Just write it here, then press OK. It will open the services tab. Single click on any service and then press W from your keyboard to open W tab, and here you just have to search for Windows Search. Here's the Windows Search, right click on it, then click on Restart. And once you have restarted, it will restart the complete Windows Search process. So if there will be any temporary glitch with this, it will be fixed. If it was paused, it will also be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to your settings, and in settings just go to Windows Update, and then you just have to try to check for the latest update in your Windows. After updating your Windows, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.